So the next property is if any two rows or columns of a determinant are identical in the sense the corresponding elements are same, all corresponding elements are same, then value of the determinant is 0. Let us take an example to verify it. So what do you observe in this determinant?
The column 3 are identical, sir.
Column
3, all the elements are identical.
isn't it? Which columns are identical? Can you tell me?
C2 and C3.
C2 and C3. So let us take C2 and C3. This is 2, this is 3. These are not identical. Same elements are required. Corresponding elements in the sense in this first element must be same. So these are not same. These are not same. The elements of C2 same as well as the elements of C3 are same. Whereas C2, C3 elements are not the same. So which are same here?
R1 and R3.
Yes, ma'am. R1 and R3. So in this first element is 3. In this row first element is 3. These are called corresponding elements. In this second element are same. In the first row third element, the third row third element are same. So these are identical, or all corresponding elements are same of R1 and R3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let us expand it and evaluate this result. So what we have to get the result? When these are identical, yes, we should get 0. Let us expand it. You write this, when you start the solution in the determinants while expanding it, you write expanding along, if it is R1, R1. Not only along R1, expanding along R1. Let us expand it. So how to expand it?
So 3
into determinant of
2, 3, 2, 3.
Delete this row and column. So 2, 3, 2, 3. Next,
Minus 2.
minus the second element is 2 into delete this row and column.
2, 3,
3, 3, 3. 2, 3, 3, 3. Next,
Plus 3.
plus the element is 3. Delete this row and column along 3. The remaining value is
2, 2, 3, 2.
3, 2.
3, 2. 2, 2, 3, 2. So find the answer. Now simplify this. Then we get it as 3 times of
0.
this is 2 3s are 6 minus this is also 3 2s are 6. Yes, ma'am. Next, minus 2 times of this is 2 3s are 6 minus
Minus 9.
next plus 3 times of this is 4
4 minus 6.
6. So what we get this result?
0 plus 6 minus
3 into
6.
0 minus 2 times of minus 3
Minus 3.
plus 3 times of minus
Minus 2.
then this is 0
0
minus
plus 3
plus 6
minus
plus
plus
into minus
6.
minus 6. So that the answer is 0.
0.
So since R1 and R3 are identical, the value of the determinant is 0. Hence property 3 is verified. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See property 4. If each element of a row each element of a row or a column of a determinant is multiplied by a constant k, then its value gets multiplied by k. So what do you understand here now?
Sir, if each element of row or column, if we multiply with a constant k, then the value of det will be also multiplied by k.
Yes,
sir.
ma, yes. Suppose, let us take a determinant. Suppose first row is multiplied by 3. In this, R1 is multiplied by 3. So the value of the obtained determinant is, what you'll get? Obtained determinant, suppose delta 1. Delta 1 is 3 times of delta. Do you understand it? So let us take
Yes.
the example. It is easy to understand. Let us consider this is determinant of A. Right? Now, suppose R1 is multiplied by 3. R1 is multiplied by 3. Then the obtained determinant is considered as B. So what we will get it, ma? R1 multiplied by 3, right? So this is 3 2s, sir. 6
6 minus
minus
9,
9,
15.
15. That's it. The remaining 2 rows remains the same. So the next one is 6 0 4, and the other one is 1 5 minus 7. As we already know this result, what we got this result, ma? That here
Minus 28.
minus 28. The first property we have verified. Now let us go to the next one. So find det B. So det B equal to, suppose expanding along
R1.
R1.
R2, ma? Okay, R2. R2, anyone we can do it. R1 frequently we are doing it, right? So let us go to R1. Sorry, R2. R2, what are the signs, ma? First one.
Plus 6.
Not plus 6. No? So that only she also asked R2 and I also started.
Minus 6.
Minus. We should
Minus
start from the
6.
first one, alternate signs take it. Plus, minus, plus in the first row. Second row start with minus, plus, minus. So minus, what do you have to take now?
Minus 6.
Minus 6. This element is 6. Into, delete this row and column. So what we get the remaining value?
Minus 9, 15,
Minus
5,
9,
minus
15,
7.
5 minus
15,
7.
5 and minus 7. Next, what is the sign is required?
Plus.
Plus 0 into, so she asked me with the trick also. So at most number of 0 she has taken. So it is easy to find the result. So 0 times of, delete this row and column. So what are the left out values? Determinant of 6,
15.
15, 1,
1
minus 7. And the next one, what is the sign is required?
Minus 4.
Minus
Minus,
Minus.
alternate signs. Minus plus minus is required. 4 times of, delete this row and column. So the remaining is 6. What are the remaining elements?
So minus 9.
9, 1,
Minus
5.
9,
1 5.
1 and 5. That's it now. That equal to, this is minus 6 times of, multiply these two. Minus into minus is plus, 9 7s there.
63.
63.
Minus
Minus,
3.
this is 75.
75.
And the next one is plus 0 into any value is 0 only, directly we can write.
0.
And the next one, minus 4 times of 6 5s are
30.
30.
9.
30 plus
Plus
9.
minus, and this is minus 9. So plus 9. So the result is minus 6 times of, this is minus, how much it is? Minus
12.
12.
12.
Plus 0 we need not write. Next, if you want you can write plus. Minus 4 times of 30 plus 9.
39.
This is plus 39. So again, if you simplify this, minus into minus, plus 72 plus 0 minus, this result is 1. What is the result? 156. So simplify this more. What you get the answer? 72 minus 156.
84.
How much more?
84, sir. Minus 80.
That is important. Minus 84. Can we write this minus 84 as, so till this the determinant value we got it. 3 times of minus 28. Can we write it or not?
Yes, sir.
We can write.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is minus 28, ma? We already know that minus 28 is nothing but that.
Det A.
So here we got the result is that B equal to 3 times of that A. Since we multiplied R1 all the elements by 3, the value of the determinant also multiplied by 3 times. That's it. Hence verified. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What about rest of all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bukan, where are you? Are you there or not? Oh, sending message. Okay, fine. The next one is fifth property. If sum or all elements, either sum or all elements of a row or column of a determinant are expressed as sum of 2 or more terms, then the determinant can be expressed as a sum of 2 or more determinants. Do you understand this, no? If sum or all elements of a row or column of a determinant are expressed as sum of 2 or more terms, then the determinant can be expressed as sum of 2 or more terms. Let us take an example to verify it. Let us take this one as det A, and suppose if you express this result as 2 minus 3 5, 8 minus 2 we can write, 2 minus 2 and 6 minus 2, right? And the other one remains the same, 1 5 minus 7. Here 8 minus 2 in the sense 8 plus of minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 2 plus of minus 2. And 6 minus 2 is 6 plus of minus 2. That's the meaning of it. Right? So as per this property, we can write this as determinant of 2 minus 3 5 8 2 6 1 5 minus 7 plus the next one is 2 minus 3 5, this is minus 2 and minus 2, and then this is 1 5 minus 7. So let us take this is a determinant. This is, it seems to be if sum are all elements of row or column. So here second row are sum of two elements, right? All the elements are added by -2. So that can be expressed as delta 1 plus delta 2. Determinant 1 plus determinant 2. Do you understand this, ma?
Yes, sir.
So let us find this result. This is nothing but this determinant only. So we can find, so first determinant value is -28. Now we'll go to find the second determinant value, delta 1. So determinant 1 is expanding along R1. What will get it? 2 into, so delete this row and column. This is 2, 6, 5, -7. And plus next sign is minus we need. Minus of, -3 times of, delete this row and column. So this is 8, 6,
8, 6, 1,
1,
-7.
-7. Next. So the next one is plus 5 into,
5,
delete this row and
8
column.
to 1.
8, 2,
8, 2,
1,
1, 5.
that's it. So if you simplify that, we get this result is 2 times of, this is -14 minus 30. Minus of minus, plus 3 times of, this is -56 minus 6. This is plus 5 times of, this is 40 minus 2. So the answer is 2 times of, simplify this, -44
-44.
plus 3 times of -62 plus 5 times of 38. So the answer is -88. This
-88.
is -186, isn't it? Next, plus 190. Isn't it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then simplify this result, ma. What you'll get it?
-92.
Minus 92. So you'll find the next determinant also. What is the next determinant? Delta 2 is, or second determinant is, expand along R1. 2 times of, this is -2, -2, 5,
-2, 5,
-7.
-7.
Next, plus or minus? Minus of -3 times of, delete this row and column. So this is -2,
-2, 1, -7.
-2, -2, 1, -7. And the next one, plus 5 times of,
5,
again this is
-2,
-2,
-2, -2,
1,
1, 5.
So let us simplify this. So the first result is 2 times of, this is plus 14 minus of minus, this is plus 10.
10,
Next, minus of minus, plus 3 times of, this is minus into minus, plus 7 2s are 14, minus of -2 is
+2,
2, plus 5 times of, this is -10, minus of minus,
+2,
+2. So the resultant is 2 times of 24 plus
24,
3 times of 16
16,
plus 5 times of -8.
8,
So this is 48 plus, this is also 48 minus 40. So what you'll get this result, ma? This is 56. Now add these two, first determinant and second determinant. What will get this result? So determinant 1 plus determinant 2 value is -92 plus 56. What do you get the answer? So this result is minus 84, right?
Yes, sir.
So minus 84. This is also minus 84. If you simplify that, what will get the result?
Minus 28.
Minus 28. So what is minus 28? The value of the given determinant, right? So that equal to determinant. Therefore, determinant, the given determinant can be expressed as sum of two determinants. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have to take only one row, or we can take 2 or more rows, sir.
Actually, one row, here it is given some or more elements of any row or column. This one, here it is mentioned if some or all elements of a row or a column. Clear, ma?
Yes, sir.